How to add a commute with Galaxy Buds Pro routine on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and tap on modes and routines. After that, tap on the routines tab at the bottom. Then tap on the discover button at the top and then tap on all routines. Now in here, go down and tap on Commute with Galaxy Buds Pro. At the top here, tap on the time period that you want to set. Yeah, I will choose the default time. You can make the necessary adjustment. And in here, select a repeat and tap on done. So that is the time period. Next, we select a Bluetooth device. And from here, I will choose device. And from the list of the pair devices, select your Bluetooth device and then tap on done. So we have now set the time period and the Bluetooth device, which is the Galaxy Buds Pro that I have. Then we go down and check the brightness, noise controls, equalizer, change lock screen settings. If you like the default settings, you can and you accept the default settings, we can then go down and tap on save. If you like to make any changes, you can do so by tapping on that settings. In here, we can change the brightness. We can turn on extra brightness. I'll turn it off and tap on done. If you like to change the noise controls, you can do so by tapping on that. And then tap on saved. And then tap on the back key. And here we have the commute with Galaxy Buds routine added to your routine page. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.